Hello and welcome to Ludo Tips. Today we're diving into an exciting world of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking to optimize your daily routine, mastering AI tools can be a game changer. Not only can they save you time, but they can also open new doors to efficiency and innovation. So, how do you get started? Well, here are some straightforward steps to mastering AI tools that anyone can follow. Step 1. Identify your needs. Before jumping into the vast ocean of AI technology, it's crucial to understand what you want to achieve. Are you looking to automate mundane tasks, analyze data more efficiently, or perhaps enhance your creative projects? By pinpointing your goals, you can choose the AI tools that align best with your objectives. Step 2. Research and choose the right tools. Once you know your needs, it's time to explore the plethora of AI tools available. Read reviews, check user feedback, and compare functionalities. Some popular AI tools include TensorFlow for machine learning, Grammarly for writing assistance, and ChatGPT for conversational prompts. Remember, the right tool should not only fit your needs, but also be user-friendly and within your budget. Step 3. Learn the basics. With your tools selected, invest some time in learning their basics. Many AI tools offer tutorials and beginner guides online. For instance, platforms like Coursera and Udemy provide courses specifically designed to familiarize you with AI interfaces and functionalities. Don't skip this step, as a solid understanding of the basics will make advanced features more accessible. Step 4. Practice and experiment. Start using the tools on small projects or tasks. Experiment with different settings and functionalities to see what works best for you. The more you use them, the more intuitive they become. Keep an eye on how you can improve efficiency and find new ways to integrate these tools into your workflow. Step 5. Stay updated and network. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new updates and tools emerging regularly. Join online forums or communities like Reddit or LinkedIn groups related to AI. Engaging with others will help you stay informed about the latest advancements and learn tips from experienced users. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to mastering AI tools. As you integrate these steps into your routine, you'll find that AI not only enhances your productivity, but also opens up a world of possibilities you might not have imagined. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy innovating.